time, n number of times, and 14 civilians were killed by Pakistani forces when they were targeting civilians with the heavy artillery shells over here. And we have reached here on one of a location from where Indian troops, Indian army personnel, they have effectively retaliated to the Pakistani army men, Pakistani artillery position, and they were decimated like anything over there. Now today on NewsX we will speak to these brave soldiers of the Indian Army, those who have ensured that civilians, those who are targeted from across, they has to be taught a lesson. And we have with us one of the senior officers of Indian Army who is basically who was holding position over here on the ground here in the Poonch and definitely ensuring the safety of the civilians. Let's speak to him as well. How was the situation, when this firing has started, and what was going on before firing? How prepared you were?
Okay, I'll start by saying that the Pahalgam attack that happened was a cowardice terrorist attack on our innocent civilians, and we Indian Armed Forces knows how to put these cowards into coffins, and this is what Operation Sindoor was all about. Once Operation Sindoor was launched, we were asked to deploy in our operational areas in a very quick time frame, and we did it. We came here, we prepared ourselves, we prepared our defenses and waited for the right moment. On 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th of May, when we received the orders, we have hell broke on the enemy. We have fired around more than 600 rounds and targeted accurately and precisely more than 20 enemy posts. Those posts were basically terror infrastructure or the enemy posts which were used to infiltrate the terrorists into our motherland. Yeah, once we have targeted them accurately and precisely, we knew that we have devastated their men, material, and most importantly, their morale.
How challenging it was, because when after this action was taken against the terror launchpad and terror positions over there in Pakistan and POK, what was happening that Pakistan started targeting civilian area as well as the defense forces. So how challenging it was to face the situation and also dominate the enemy's position?
I would say it was not at all challenging, because we were trained enough to do what we do, because we knew that what we are doing is the right thing to do. When we came here, we have already trained ourselves in our peacetime, in our regimental headquarters on daily basis, and we were just waiting for the moment to come where we can show our might. We came here, we prepared ourselves, we were fully operationally ready, we were just waiting for the targets to come to us so that we can destroy us. And once we have seen that enemy, since he was not able to engage our army infrastructure very effectively, he resorted to engage our civilian populations. And you know that because of the engagement in civilian population, we have lost few lives in Poonch sector also.
What we have seen in the past that Pakistan, haven't targeted the Poonch town deep inside from the line of control. So what seems to be the reason, and how prepared you were to target them deep inside as well?
See, I would like to tell you, we are fully prepared, fully equipped with all high-tech weapons and all kind of weapons which can strike deep inside the enemy territory. We have those kind of weapons, those kind of equipment which can strike very accurately, very precisely on the targets, and they can destroy them. They can destroy them and kill enemies how we wanted.
We'll come back to you, but we'll speak to some other, troopers over there. Those who basically were ensuring that morale of the, troops, morale of the jawans will not go down. कितना मुश्किल था उस वक्त, क्योंकि मैं देख रहा हूँ ये जो एरिया है, ये ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पर मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी बॉम्बिंग हो रही होगी. तो फिर कैसे ख्याल रखते रहे थे कि जवान का मोरल भी डाउन ना हो और एनिमी पोजीशन को दबाया भी जाए?
हमारे जवान का हमेशा युद्ध हो या पीस हो, मोरल हाई मोटिवेट होता है और उनके अंदर बहुत हाई जोश होता है, और जोश के साथ और बहादुर के साथ अपना बेखूबी काम निभाते हैं. हम एक टीम के रूप में काम करते हैं और जो टास्क मिलता है उसको बेखूबी निभाते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है, कितने से कितना भी कठिन काम हो, हमारा जवान का मोरल हमेशा हाई रहता है और हम उनको मोटिवेट फिजिकली मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग रखते हैं.
उस दिन क्या हुआ था जिस दिन ये पहली बार शेलिंग शुरू हुई?
सेलिंग हुई जैसे हमारे हायर हेडक्वार्टर से हमारे आर्टिलरी फायर का हमें आदेश मिला, हमने दुश्मन को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया और दुश्मन के आर्टिलरी फायर हमारे ऊपर आया, उसका हमने जोश और साहस के साथ फायर किया और दुश्मन के बैंकर्स को नष्ट किया।
दुश्मन के बंकर को नष्ट किया। Basically, challenge was to ensure that this gun, when fired, then it will not go and target any of the civilian. Will go to the gunner as well, because gunner is a person who have to hold the position all the time when they are retaliating. Let's speak to him as well. कितना सुकून मिल रहा है अब ये पता चला जबकि दुश्मन के कई बंकर, कई जो पोजीशन थी उनको तबाह किया है।
जी बिल्कुल, एज अ सोल्जर, एज अ गनर, ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही प्राउड फील होता है कि हमने एनिमी के पोस्ट और बंकर्स को इफेक्टली डैमेज किया है और उनके जो कायराना हरकत किया है उन्होंने उसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया है उनको।
उस दिन क्या हुआ था, आप कहाँ थे अचानक, फिर कैसे कॉल आई और कितनी जल्दी एक्शन हुआ?
जी बिल्कुल, मुझे मेरे सीनियर से ऑर्डर मिला, जैसे ही ऑपरेशन सिंदूर लॉन्च हुआ हम अपने गन एरिया में डिप्लॉय हुए रिकॉर्ड टाइम में और अपने डिफेंस को मजबूत करते हुए हमने इफेक्टिव फायर किया एनिमी पर।
कितना मतलब इसकी क्षमता कितनी होती है कि कितने फायर कर सकते हैं, और उस दिन जब जवाबी कार्रवाई करनी थी फिर कितने कर रहे थे?
जी, इसका कोई लिमिट नहीं है कि कितना राउंड फायर कर सकते हैं, जितना हमें रिक्वायरमेंट होता है उसके हिसाब से हम राउंड्स फायर करते हैं। जब तक हमारा एनिमी का जो भी उसको टारगेट न्यूट्रलाइज ना हो जाए तब तक हम फायर कर सकते हैं।
दरअसल होता क्या है कि व्हेन बेसिकली फायरिंग टेक्स प्लेस या एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, दिस गन is having a capacity which depends on the troops, those who are on the ground, teams. Let's speak to once again officer over here. Sir, how basically you were retaliating to the position, Pakistani positions, because what we have learned that the number of time we can say that the time which you basically was getting, that was not enough to retaliate, but your team basically was working very nicely and very fastly at that time.
Once we received orders that we are getting fired upon by enemy shelling in different areas of the Poonch, we were given orders to engage the enemy targets. From higher headquarters, we were continuously receiving targets, and we were continuously receiving targets from our higher headquarters, and we were engaging them very effectively, very precisely. The number of rounds which I have already told you, that in just span of 3 days we have fired more than 600 rounds and destroyed more than 20 bunkers of the enemy, or the 20 posts. These posts include enemy terror infrastructure, their launch pads, and the enemy posts which facilitated infiltration to our motherland.
Was there any input that terrorists was also there in the this Pakistani army bunkers?
Yeah, the input has been continuously coming to us that across the line there have been many terror infrastructure, including their launch pads, including their ADAM bases, which we have targeted very efficiently.
We'll try to show you the position as well, because this gun and other battery guns which basically are placed over here on the line of control, these were the guns used to decimate number of Pakistani positions over there. We'll speak to some other troopers over here that how was the जोश at that time. उस वक्त जोश कितना था जब ये आवाज़, क्योंकि मैंने सुना है जो आर्टिलरी के लोग होते हैं उनको जैसे फायर होता है उससे और ज़्यादा ताकत आती है।
सर, जैसे ही हमारे ऊपर पहला फायर आया, पहला ही गोला गिरा हमारे आकर नज़दीक, हमारा जोश दुगना हो गया और हमने दुश्मन को कई बंकर्स और कई उसके आतंकवादी लंच पैड्स को तबाह कर दिया फायर करके।
उस वक्त डर लगता है कुछ कि फायर आ रहा है, अपने पे कुछ हो जाए?
सर, हम लोग पहले ही ट्रेनिंग से हमारे सिखाया जाता है कि डरना नहीं है, और डरने वालों गनर जो होता है सर आरटी का, वो डरता नहीं। हम डरते हुए फायर का जवाब फायर से दे रहे थे।
डरते नहीं है, डराते हैं। उस दिन जब फायर हो रहा था तो एनर्जी कैसे बढ़ रही थी और टीम पूरी कैसे काम करती है?
जी, जैसे राउंड फायर करते हैं एनर्जी डबल हो जाती है और जोश आ जाता है कि फायर एनिमी पे फायर करने का, और बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लगता कि हम सामने से फायर आएगा एनिमी का, तो हम ऐसे डर के बिल्कुल फायर नहीं करते, पूरे जोश और होश के साथ एनिमी पे फायर करते हैं और उनके टारगेट को न्यूट्रलाइज करते हैं।
दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है उस वक्त?
जी, अपनी जो बेसिकली ट्रेनिंग मिली होती है उसको उसी पे काम करते हैं, जो भी सीनियर से ऑर्डर मिलते हैं गन पोजीशन ऑफिसर से, उसी पर काम करते हैं।
I will speak to one of army soldier over here once again. जब फायर कर रहे होते हैं तो बाकी साथी जब साथ होते हैं तो किस तरीके से इस चीज़ को इंश्योर किया जाता है कि चीज़ें फास्ट हों, जल्दी जल्दी हों और कहीं ना कहीं जोश बरकरार रहे।
उसके लिए हम हमारी टीम को बहुत बेहतरीन प्रशिक्षण देते हैं और पूरी टीम जोश और साथ के साथ काम में जुट जाती है। सभी को प्रायोरिटी ऑफ टास्क बांटे जाते हैं और टाइम रिकॉर्ड के अंदर फायर दिया जाता है जल्दी से जल्दी। तो और जो टीम काम करती है वो गर्व महसूस करती है कि उसको ये दुश्मन के ऊपर फायर करने का मौका मिल रहा है, तो वो और फास्ट काम करते हैं।
एक बार मुझे करके बताएंगे भारत माता की जय के जयघोष कैसे लगते हैं जब फायर कर रहे होते हैं और यूनिट का जो अपना नारा है वो कैसे होता है, एक बार जोर से। So you can see that how they ensure that morale of the troops that remain high. These are the words basically which basically helps these troops and officers to ensure that their morale remain high. लगता है कि ये जब वर्ड आते हैं भारत माता की जय, दुर्गे माता की जय, this helps troops as well to morale boosting and other things.
Yes, definitely these are our war cries, and whenever we are given a chance to war cry all this, we are completely full of josh.
What is the message to enemy?
There is one clear simple message to enemy, that if you show one more sign of aggression, you will face the heat again, we'll show you our might again, and I'm sure you'll not like it.
So this is from the ground zero with the troops, those who have ensured that Pakistan will not be able to once again try to hit out on the civilians, and they are saying that if anything Pakistan will try to do again, they will be given a lesson once again. With Bunty Digra, Ajay Jandial, News X.
At the launch of the